Hi friends, welcome to our channel Explore Art. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Hello my dear friends. Now in this visual part of learning, we'll make a twisting star like this. This is the part of our paper craft, or you can say a modular origami, or you can say a scientific toy, and you can say just a simple toy. So let's start. So this is an interesting art to see the twisting star. So take a rectangular paper like this. The paper must be a little bit thick, or you can take pastel sheet, ivory sheet, thick chart paper, or any kind of thick and strong paper, a card sheet. And the proportion of the length and breadth should be 2:1. Then put the paper vertically and take a ruler, measure the paper, put the ruler in the middle of the breadth, even we can directly make the crease here, but if we draw a line it will be easy to make the crease. Put the ruler on the line and pick the flap and fold and try to make a crease here. Yeah, it's done. Press it nicely, unfold, then divide this portion into half again vertically, and do the same thing on these both lines. So on this bisector of this portion, on this particular line, we press and make a crease, and the alternate way is on this middle line or the middle crease we can put the edge of the sheet just on the line and make the crease. There are the two ways to make crease, and on the other way also it should be here. Now it is looking a little bit slim. Then pick the one end and fold and bisect this one also, and press and make a crease here. After making the bisecting crease, you can draw a line with the pencil. Now the drawing is necessary. Again pick an end and bring this edge to the bisecting crease, press here and make another crease, and do the same thing in the alternate way or the alternate end, like this. Press here and the crease will come. Now here we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 rectangles. So in each rectangles we draw the diagonal line crossing each other. I think only 2 diagonal lines are possible, which we call the hypotenuse. So let us start drawing, and it will be easy if you cover more than one rectangle. And here also you can cover 2 rectangles. So let's start drawing. So we finished the one-way drawing. Now start to cross the diagonals. Now our pattern is prepared to make creases. So let's start making crease. Put the ruler here and start making crease. Press the paper firmly. Now we found a crease and we proceed on. So we'll fold like this. And you can find a geometrical net. After making the creases, take the scissors and cut here. So you can see this is the rectangle, and you can cut more than half area of this rectangle. So this is the middle area, midline of these 2 rectangles. And you have to cut apart from this line, inward this paper. Now it's our turn to start making the model. Hold it, hold the smaller one and insert inside the another end. So it will look like this, like a well or a fan stand. So later, with the help of the creases, we'll press here, and the second one and the third one. Pressing all three areas, we will turn the three vertices inside. Press them firmly together and bring all three corners into the center. It will look like this. Then turn this model. It is looking like a box. And then do the same thing and the alternate side. So this side, hold the three vertices, three tops or 3 points or 3 corners, press them slowly, firmly, bring them together into the center, and press your finger here. Now it is looking like a small lotus temple. And then you may play with this model. This belongs to the modular origami. One of my students called it twisting star because it is looking like a star and also keeps twisting. Or you can call it with another name also. You can give it any name. Twist, twist, twist. You can find different surfaces. And then we'll make part 2, means in the other part of our video we'll paint here. You can paint any of your favorite pictures like flowers or birds or whatever you want. You paint on different surfaces. We'll show the painting and then it will become a magic puzzle. You can see the magic of this twisting star.